Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Here, Mrs. Srilata is going to continue with her English language classes for class 10th. Hope that you are following our videos and revising your syllabus. Today, we are going to see the format of notice and email writing. So, first let us see the format of notice writing. What is a notice? Many of you may have seen short pieces of writing on your school notice boards. Such a short piece of writing, which is usually formal in style, is called a notice. Apart from schools, various other organizations and institutions use this form of writing to announce events and celebrations and other occasions. You can effectively develop the skill of notice writing through regular practice. Regular practice is needed for you. While writing a notice, you must keep some basic points in mind. Your notice should be written in clear and lucid style and should be in easily understandable language to give complete information. A good notice should contain an eye-catching caption or heading to hold the immediate attention of the readers, and the purpose for which it has been written, like calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal, or informing general public about some issues of concern. Then details of schedule, that is date, time, venue, program, duration, etc. And last, if needed, the contact person. So we are going to follow the format which is given in your Total English book. I request all of you to take your Total English book and to follow my instructions. So in notice writing, the first thing, a catchy heading. If we are writing the notice about function, event, program, meeting notice, the notice should have name of the event, date, time of function, event or program, venue of the function, target audience, invitees, etc., instructions related to the entrance, and contact person if needed. If it is about tours and treks, place of the tour, trek camp, date and number of days, cost per head, essential things to be carried, contact person for the further details. If it is about lost and found, you have lost something or you got something, article lost or found, place, date and time of losing, finding the article, details regarding its shape, size and color, person to be contacted in details for details, when to contact, reward if any, if you are planning to give any reward. So remember children, when you write a notice, try to use passive voice as far as possible. The heading must be appealing to attract the attention of the reader. I told you, catchy heading. Use bold letters and catchy slogans to enhance the visual appeal of your notice. So let us go to an example from your Total English book. Your school is hosting an inter-school debate competition. So which competition? Debate competition. Inter-school debate competition. Write a notice for your school informing them to the event. So your children, your school children, you have to inform. So catchy heading, war of words. Why it is war of words? Because it is a debate competition. Then what is the competition? Inter-school debate competition. First you have to give a catchy heading. Then you have to come to the heading, that is about the function. What function is going to be conducted? When it is on 8th December 2017. See, December full. Don't write short forms. From timing, from 9 AM to 12 noon. At, where is it? At venue. Centenary Hall, St. Hilda School. Then further information, whom to contact. All pupils from classes 9th and 10th who wish to participate are to give their names to Mrs. T. Baker on or before 1st December 2017. So after writing this, you are supposed to put this format, whatever you have written, in a box. So this box is also a part of this format. Please don't forget about it. And now let us go to another example. In another example, you are the president of a children's club in your locality. You and your team are planning to organize a program to celebrate Teachers' Day. Write a notice to be put up in the local supermarket. So where you want to put up the notice? In the local supermarket, giving details of the program to create an awareness of the event. So what is the event? You are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. So you have to first give a catchy caption. That is, thank you teachers. Then what is the event? A cultural program to celebrate Teachers' Day. When? On 5th September 2018. So date you can change according to you. And from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Where is it? At Community Center, South City Mall. Contact person, all teachers. Then you have to invite all teachers who are residents of the South City complex are cordially invited. And further, after this, if you want to give the name and phone number of the contact person, if you want, you can give. And don't forget to put whatever you have written in a box. This is a part of, I told you, this also a part of format. And further, there are so many examples in your Total English book.